Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you're having a fabulous day today and things are going well with you in your own particular trading. Big week last week, as you know. We spent quite a bit of time talking about the interest rates that were coming out. We're going to have some follow through on that this week. But just looking at this morning's markets, gold is up a little bit, oil's up a little bit, and pre-market before the stock market's opening, we're down slightly in the futures, but not a tremendous amount to where we think we'd have a big movement one way or the other. And so for reports this week, today being the first of the week, we really don't have much, especially in the U.S. I don't think we've got really anything that's going to be that big of an issue. There is the Bank of England, Governor King is speaking, and that can obviously affect the markets and how they're moving. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, we've got the trade balance for Canada and the U.S. coming out. The EZW report in Germany is coming out also. On Wednesday, we have the big announcement with the Fed funds rate, FOMC statement. And that's something that we always want to keep an eye on. The press conference potentially is going to have big movements or the potential to move big on the Forex market. In China on Thursday, we've got the monetary policy statement also. And then Thursday, PPI, retail sales, weekly unemployment claims, and then CPI is coming out on Friday. So a fairly big week, maybe not quite as many news announcements, but certainly the FOMC is a large announcement that we have to be aware of anytime it comes out. So I want to just take a look at kind of a intermediate term charts to see what's going on. We're going to look at the 4-hour time frames. You can see that we opened up with a gap here. This is the Euro US dollar, and if we zoom out, you'll see on the open a gap. It's gapped down and then turned and started to move up again. And so we're starting to see some upward momentum after a big week last week of downward movements at the end of the week. And so we could see a little bit of retracement through the next little bit here. We are sitting at an area that we consider support, and so getting a bounce up off this area is not an unusual thing to look at and to see here. Something that we would anticipate in a move. Now, as we look at this, we actually can say that we're getting some movements up, and so looking for some entries using the simple trading method. Whether we use the 4-hour chart or the shorter term chart doesn't matter, but we can look for opportunities to trade that once that trend is resumed, which is kind of what we're starting to see at this point. The Aussie dollar, we're starting to move up. We again have had some nice movements here over the last while, and right now we're trying to see if we can make another swing high here. So some bullish momentum there. US CAD starting to roll back over again. Excuse me, US Swiss franc. Pound dollar, some big movements up. Strong momentum at this point. US Japanese yen very flat. So we want to recognize, I guess, the flatness that's happening, and be a little bit cautious when we're trading that. And then the US CAD, some downward momentum. So the important thing is when we start trading for the week or for the day, we want to get an idea of the momentum that's occurring on the specific pairs that we're looking to trade. And if we can look at those and we can get an idea that the trend is up or the trend is down, and we're able to then go and trade in that direction, that's going to benefit us for our setups using the simple trading method. So take some time to look at the current momentum, the current trends, and then identify opportunities for the setups on the shorter term charts. And if you have questions about that or anything else, feel free to let me know. If not, have a great day. And we'll be back tomorrow and take a look at how things have progressed. So until then, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.